ka Kynhun tam rock music bepauna ma ka percaya dari Sweden ka Europe hak jingelam jowi Tempest unang roi kala penkot kita masa megong hak miat live outrik nai wieng arca apsau dak jingroi bepauna ma kani ka Kynhun ka final countdown harengkat ke cing sakhi ki lakngot ki pat e jingroi ha Baljek airport jengjal ha West Kyrwoh district nalor kani ka Kynhun Europe rengkat uyan hoklan bodi nongtam drum John Narom nongtam kaita Umai Micheli buatam keyboard buat John Levin nongtam bass kaita kala Shongshit pok yu pajba dagi wei pak kijinroi kum ke Cherokee Rock the Night carry bat kiwei pat Ashwa ki jingroi jingtam na Kynhun Europe la Shongshit di pajba dagi Kynhun tam Kynhun roi Restless Desire Shankar Tribe Industry bat kiwei kentom na ka DJ Yudita Kuswami Ashwa kani ke Kynhun Europe hak jingekran bagi lap thai kubor kala penkenmau Balai penrus Snem Mynshwa kala wan bantem Mumbai. Halo ke cingkeli bagi rock music kala nangja bad yapno ujowi Tempest ulo pasat show might mecheli ban cuba bad penpau ba kamlong kumta bad kum kini ki cingtam jirwai kine bad em silenter ujowi uli thu ba Kynhun kan penmi ka album thamai Snem banwan bad kumju ka video documentary jong ka Kynhun Europe ka bla Shongshit ye ka perthai nadu ki Snem khat khanai spa prabhau ter hadu manta.
Well, we have a great memory from 1988. He went to Mumbai and played a show. We met nice people and we had a great time. But that's a long time ago. But we remember how friendly people were. We remember having a good time. So we're looking forward to be back. I mean, this is back on stage in India. Ian, what do you think?
I think it's amazing that we made it this far out in the world. And well, I remember the fans in 1988. They were really frantic and really, on the show. So we can just hope for more of the same, I guess.
This is the last show for this year, but we have plans for next year. Absolutely, there will be a documentary released. And also, we're planning on making a new record next year as well. I'm sure this visit to Northeast India will have some impact in some lyrics in the future. It's a beautiful place. I mean, it's a great place. And like Ian said, the audience was amazing in '88, and I'm sure it's going to be great tonight. Beautiful place. We're looking forward to it. We're going to play loud, if that's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, is that all right?
It's all right.
Well, okay.
We're all deaf. So
Yeah, we're all deaf now. We have to play really loud. Yeah, we actually love playing the big songs from the 80s and early 90s too. And we have not a new songs that we love playing, but of course we play the big songs. We love playing it with the fans. It gets such a great connection. Rock the Night and all that stuff. It's going to be a blast.
What about the final countdown?
Final countdown? I don't know. What do you think?
People are
we'll see.
expected.
Europe was the number one band those days. It still has a very big fan following. All right, everywhere. Do you see any other band matching up?
No, I think I'm going to have to be honest here and I can't be humble anymore. This is one of the best bands on the planet. I mean, I can't. We can't hide the truth anymore. You'll see tonight. No, there's some great bands, rock bands, Rival Sons and Greta Van Fleet, and there's some younger guys coming through. I hope there'll be more bands. There are lots of bands out there. The business is different, so it's difficult, but there's great passion out there, great musicians. Yeah, music will never die. Rock music lives underneath everything. Yes, forever.
The final countdown, it's a big song everywhere. Who came up with that iconic melody?
I came up with it one night. Like Mick said, though, it's in a documentary coming out about the whole story of the band. We found a lot of old tapes when we were partying in rooms and when we were just teenagers, and it's a great documentary coming out with some great guests on the documentary. We managed to get people from Sweden, respected artists like Tobias from Ghost to talk, Michael Åkerfeldt from Opeth talking, Benny Andersson from ABBA talking on the documentary about Europe, about us. We are so humble. It's amazing. So we have a great documentary, like Mick said, new album, got some great songs. yeah, we're going to keep going as long as we stand.
I don't know about here in this area, but in Sweden and Europe, I mean the records that are sort of in the top of the charts may not be rock music, but on the live scene, I think rock music is still living very vivid. You know? Yeah. I would say one thing is that Kyrwoh Hill meets Gora.
Hapreng kini kecikran bagi lat patai kubor, lai don lang du bak poleng do Menteri Ketenaga Tourism, bot Konrad ke Sangma Menteri Rang Bak Kejela, kibla pen kuburam ya kete Kynhun. Kini ki arngut kini ngelam sorkar kila pen pau bagi layat lenti ha kejingem, ban sngap ikjingroi dak Kynhun Europe.
Well, it's a matter of pride and of huge happiness and pleasure for us in the department, for the government of Meghalaya to have hosted Europe, which has had a huge fan following right from where they started off with the first album, which is Final Countdown. And subsequently, they have been having fan followings, which include our Honorable Chief Minister and myself. So we're happy to have them with us, and we look forward to more such bands and rock music continuing to thrive and be a part of Meghalaya's culture.
As I was telling Joey last night, that we have all grown up listening to their songs, and it is nothing short of a dream come true for many of us, not just our state of Meghalaya, but the entire northeast region has a very, very strong influence of rock music, especially from the 80s and 90s. And you will see today that we have a large number of your fans from the entire country, in fact, who have landed up here in our small location of Jingjal in Kyrwoh Hills in our state of Meghalaya. So we're very happy, we're very excited, and would like to thank the band for making it here, the organizing committee for taking the initiative to make this happen, our Honorable Minister in charge tourism, who has led the entire exercise and made this possible. And yes, we're looking forward to a really an exciting and wonderful evening, and really I can't wait for it. So really, so we're all excited. Thank you so much once again.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.